Hello guys, in this video I want to show you one Laravel package, Eloquent package, which is probably less known because it's for quite a rare use case, but when you need it, it would be a massive help, called Laravel HasManyMerged, which is for the case that you have hasMany relationship to two records and you need both at once. Here's an example from the official README. When you have messages in the model, for example, model user, the user has sent messages and received messages, and both are hasMany relationships to the same message model, just with different fields. So what that package allows you to do is to have combined messages with two columns as array. And I found this package used in an open source project, Genealogy, which we've been covering on this channel for quite a while, for quite a few videos. I keep finding various gems and topics in this project. So here's how it is used in here. In the composer JSON, we have hasManyMerged here. And here we have a model called person for people, basically. And we have hasManyMerged and hasManyMerged relation here. And this is how it is used in the relationships. So people have children. Every person may have many children, but with different columns of father ID and mother ID. This is the structure of the database of this project. Also, there is a relationship children with children, so 2 levels deep. Also, there are couples, so hasManyMerged from person 1 ID and person 2 ID. There is a separate model of couple, and then it allows to use the relationship. For example, this is used inside of the same model, counting the children of the person and counting the couples of that person. So you can use this as a hasMany relationship. So yeah, this is just a small quick showcase of the code and the package. What do you think? Would you have cases for such relationship, or would you prefer building your own custom functions to achieve the same things? Let's discuss in the comments. And if you want to dive deeper into how Eloquent works with relationships and other functionality, I have a separate course called Eloquent Expert Level, recently updated to Laravel 11. So totally recommend you to go through that, and I will link that in the description below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.